Hi guys, welcome to the tutorial series of Distributed Operating System by goanboytutorials. Today we will cover hardware and software concept of distributed operating system. Now we will see the hardware concept of distributed system. Under this we have classification scheme for multiple CPU computer systems. The first classification is single instruction, single data stream. The short form is SIST. Before going to this, we will know what is instruction stream and what is data stream. A stream is a sequence or the flow of instruction. Then instruction stream is a flow of instruction from the main memory to the CPU or the processor. What is a data stream? A data stream is a set of extracted information from the data provider. In single instruction and the single data stream, we have traditional uniprocessor computers, that is, the machine having only one CPU. In the diagram, we can see the single instruction stream and the data stream. Next we have single instruction and multiple data stream. The short form is SIMD. This classification uses an array of processor with only one instruction unit that fetches an instruction and multiple data units which work in parallel. Here in the diagram, you can see a single instruction unit that is working upon a multiple data unit in parallel. The next we have multiple instruction single data stream. The short form is MISD. Here the multiple instruction operate on a same type of data. Here in the diagram we can see the multiple instruction unit working on the same type of data unit. The next classification we have multiple instruction multiple data stream. The short form is MIMD. Here the multiple instruction performs on the multiple data units. These are the group of independent computers, each having its own program counter and the data. Most of the distributed system use this multiple instruction and multiple data stream. Here in the diagram we can see multiple instruction unit working on the multiple data unit. The next topic under hardware concept is taxonomy of parallel and the distributed computer system. Under this we have multiprocessors and multi-computer, tightly coupled and the loosely coupled, bus based and switched. Now we will understand the given figure. At the top we have multiple instruction and the multiple data stream. This is divided into tightly coupled and the loosely coupled. Further it is divided into multiprocessors and the multi-computers. At the end it is divided into bus-based multiprocessor, switched multiprocessor, bus-based multi-computers and switched multi-computers. Now we will understand this figure theoretically. The first classification of the taxonomy is bus-based. Bus means there is a single network, cable or the other medium that connects all the machine. For example, cable television. From the satellite station, the cable is laid till your area and the cable is tapped and connection is given to the different houses. The next is switched. Here we have individual wires from machine to machine with a different wiring patterns. Example is telephone system. Telephone system in the most of the hotel industries have dedicated lines to each extension. The next element of the taxonomy is multiprocessor. It is tightly coupled MIMD computer system with a shared memory. MIMD is multiple instruction, multiple data stream. Next is multi-computer. Loosely coupled MIMD computer system with distributed or a private memory. The next we have tightly coupled versus loosely coupled. This is the most important question which is asked in every semester exam. So let's study this. Tightly coupled. Delay experience when message is sent from one computer to the another is short and the data rate is high. That is, bit per second that can be transferred is large. The next point in the tightly coupled is processors are connected in the close proximity. Application of the tightly coupled is it is used in parallel systems. Next we have loosely coupled. Here inter-machine message delay is large and data rate is low. Typically it is used in PC or workstation clusters. The application is it is used in most of the distributed systems. One of the most asked applicative question in semester exam is why distributed system is loosely coupled. distributed system is loosely coupled because there is no shared memory. That means each system has its own processor and the own memory, and the various communication lanes are present. Next we have semester questions. First question is, explain the hardware concept of distributed system in brief. Give the difference between tightly coupled and the loosely coupled. This question you will see in the every semester paper. Why distributed system is loosely coupled? In part 2 of this tutorial, I will cover various bus and switched architectures, software concept of distributed operating system. So you subscribe to my channel, also share with your friends and comment down below if any suggestion are there. नोट्स का जो लिंक है मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाला हुआ है. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ट्यूटोरियल में.